My name is Liv, and this summer I've been interning at the Swedish American Chamber of Commerce here in San Francisco and Silicon Valley. And I've been a marketing intern, so I've been supporting their branding outreach and marketing efforts. This internship has definitely helped me grow both personally and professionally, creating networking opportunities, events, but also giving me that kind of hands-on experience working with different software tools. And personally, it's been creating a kind of home away from home. It's definitely hard sometimes living so far away from home. So being able to meet all these Swedish people and connecting through our backgrounds has been very valuable. My experience at Menlo has definitely been helpful, just being part of the women's soccer team and gaining leadership skills on that and leading by example. Working at the Oak Shack and now being part of the SGA has truly helped me, but just moving away, far away from home and living independently has definitely helped me as well. Advice I would give for a future Menlo student that's going to intern would definitely be to start early to prevent that kind of last-minute stress and really leverage those networking opportunities such as the Career Connect Day hosted by the Career Services. And don't be afraid to reach out to people on LinkedIn and ask for job opportunities.